Imagine stepping into a realm where the conventional boundaries of learning do not exist, where you mingle with the English language in ways you've never imagined. Welcome to the Q8 Metaverse, an immersive, interactive universe designed to redefine IELTS preparation. In this innovative space, the entire IELTS curriculum comes alive. Picture yourself exploring the IELTS exam overview, diving into the depths of VR IELTS reading, tuning into the sounds of VR IELTS listening, and engaging in lively dialogues in VR IELTS speaking. Not to mention, you'll also find yourself crafting compelling narratives in VR IELTS academic writing and VR IELTS general writing. But the journey doesn't start there. First, determine your proficiency level in the English language, a critical step in this personalized learning experience. This comprehensive assessment ensures you kickstart your learning journey right where you need to. Once your journey begins, expect real-time evaluation and feedback as you navigate through IELTS reading, writing, listening, and speaking assessments. Every step you take is a step towards mastery, with comprehensive feedback guiding your way. And for those who wish to polish their conversational skills, the Q8 Metaverse has a solution. Engage with our AI-powered tutor, strike up interesting conversations, and gain valuable feedback. It's like having a personal tutor, only better. The Q8 Metaverse also enriches your learning experience with interactive quizzes and questions. These tools reinforce your learning, ensuring you grasp every concept and topic with clarity and confidence. And what's a metaverse without diverse virtual environments? As you journey through the Q8 Metaverse, you'll uncover a variety of settings designed to make your IELTS preparation engaging and fun. It's not just about studying, it's about experiencing the English language in all its glory. So, are you ready to step into the future of IELTS preparation? The Q8 Metaverse beckons, promising a learning experience that's immersive, interactive, and incredibly effective. Don't just prepare for IELTS, live it in the Q8 Metaverse. Join us today and unlock a world of opportunities. The future of IELTS preparation is here, and it's waiting for you in the Q8 Metaverse.